I'm Miloni and I make fashion, beauty and lifestyle related videos, and this week's video is a very different video because most of you all requested on Instagram after looking at my Insta stories that you all wanted a house tour. So that is exactly what you get, and this is a house tour but I have decided to do it in parts. This is my kitchen tour and it's just going to be about how I store things in my kitchen and how do I organize my kitchen and everything. So this video is about that, and I'm going to shoot the other videos as well, so you'll be getting to see them pretty soon. And yeah, so this is the kitchen tour. But just a small reminder before we get started with the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, do that, try it now and click on the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a video. Now without wasting further time, let's just get started with the video. Hi and welcome to my kitchen. So the first thing that you can see when you enter my kitchen to the right is the fridge. I know it's a very wrong time to show you my fridge because I had guests over, so it's full, but that's how life is. And then next to that you can see my microwave, and below that is my oven. I like to keep both of them covered so that dust does not settle on top of it. And my oven is a Morphy Richards oven. On the platform, you can see my colorful cup and saucer, my cutlery stand, fruit basket, as well as my mixer and grinder, things which I use every day. So in this drawer, I keep all my things like my cutter for vegetables, my sprout maker, air fryer, the extra jars for the mixer and grinder, my raclette. So in this cabinet above the platform, I store things which I don't use on a regular basis, like the ice cream maker, the ice container, and a few extra wooden chopping boards which I use as serving trays. Now this cabinet has all the things that I use when I have guests over, like the fondue maker, the kettle for green tea, as well as a few glass bowls which are like microwave as well as oven friendly. And in the next cabinet are all the extra glasses and milk bottles. I love serving milkshakes in that. Now this is the drawer where I store all my snacks and extra things like chili flakes and oregano, which I don't generally use on an everyday basis. Aluminum foil, plastic wrap, disposable cutlery in that one. This cabinet is my favorite cabinet. It holds all the extra large utensils which I generally use when guests are over. Also my cake round table, as well as baking supplies and electrical scale which I use in the kitchen, as well as those small jars which I use for cake jar desserts. I love this cabinet. Next to that cabinet are 3 drawers, and I store all my kitchen ladles as well as measuring cups and spoons in the first drawer. In the second drawer are my melamine plates which I use on a regular basis, along with some jars as well as glasses and these colorful cups which I love. And the third drawer just has some steel utensils. Because we move a lot, I prefer sticking to Bisleri water because water taste is different everywhere. These cabinets contain my garbage bins as well as my kitchen cleaning scrubs as well as liquids. Above that cabinet is the sink, and I like to keep Dettol on it because I like to wash my hands before I start cooking or do anything in the kitchen. Above the sink is the water purifier. And next to that is a trolley in which I keep onions, potatoes, tomatoes. Now you can see here is the chimney, the exhaust for the gas. This is my gas stove. It has light as well and 3 buttons for the power. of the exhaust. On the opposite wall is a chart on which I write my entire month's food menu, because I don't like to get up in the morning and think about it. Now below the gas stove, the first cabinet has the gas, the second one has all my important things like oil, ghee, masala dabba, salt, as well as my cooker and other important things which I use every day. The third pull drawer has all the sauces that we use, plus like salad dressings, vinegar, and all the paste that we use for cooking. Now the cabinets below the gas stove on the opposite side have, this first one has coffee, tea, the masala for chai, as well as cornflakes, milk, Tetra packs, extra just in case if I have guests, as well as a few chocolates. The other drawer has all the extra stuff like sabudana, as well as haldi, dhania jeera powder, urad dal, all my dals and everything. I've labeled all of them because when I got married I didn't know which dal was what, so I had labeled everything and I have kept it like that. The second drawer or the second cabinet also has all the dals, lentils, everything that I require for cooking, and everything is labeled and in similar jars because I like how it looks. Now here you can see above the platform is the huge window which gives like a lot of sunlight. Hey guys, so I hope you liked my kitchen tour, and you can let me know in the comment section below how is your kitchen and how do you store things, which might just help me with things. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and stay connected, as I say always. And before I sign off, there's one more thing. There's a giveaway that is running on my channel. So I'm giving away 5 face sheet masks from the face shop, and if you want to win them, then the rules for the giveaway are in the description box below. Be sure to check that out. And yeah, as I always say, stay connected. Loads of love. XOXO. Bye.